Hey YouTube, guess what day it is?
Game day!
Don't wanna complicate ya, complicate ya, complicate.
It's another college football Saturday. Carolina's going up against, now who was that school? Alabama. Alabama? Ooh. You better be ready, boys, is all I can say. But they have beat them in the past, back in the Spurrier days. Clemson goes up against Syracuse. They shouldn't have any trouble. They have had trouble with Syracuse, but well, good luck to your team. May the best team win. That's what I always say. Since it is a college football Saturday, we want to do kind of a fast cook so we can get back in there and watch some football. So, I got some fast hitters, chicken wings. I'm going to throw on the Weber Smokey Mountain, and I'll show you down here. One rack of spare ribs, and I've already taken the membrane off, cleaned them up, trimmed them up, and cut them up. I'm doing something different today. I've got them cut in individual pieces so they'll cook faster. What I'm going to season them with is just some salt and pepper, heavy ground black pepper. Then I'm going to go on with some of this JP Licious rub. JP sent me one time. I actually won it on a giveaway, but it's really good rub. It goes good on ribs, pork ribs, chicken. And on these chicken wings, you've seen me do that a bunch of times. I'm just going to put down some salt and pepper and just a light dusting of Real Mates Montreal chicken. Also, we're going to put on some Hillshire Farm smoked sausage. I'm going to get that done, and then I'll meet you out at the smoker. Okay guys, inside my WSM, I'm in the doorway here. I've got the large charcoal basket by Arbor Fabricating and the smaller minion starter basket. I've used this a few times now and I like it. I'm just going, this is my third cook inside here without even dumping the, I usually keep the charcoal dumped out pretty good, but I'm just raking these the ash dust down. See the holes in there, just making sure they're still open. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take some in my shovel here and fill that up, and then just, I'm reusing some of those spent ashes, and I'm just going to take some and put around the edge. You don't have to put a lot. The first time I used this, I almost filled this thing up, and that was one hot fire. You don't need to use that much. Just put a little bit around the edge. And I'm telling you, that's all you need. And just kind of put these new coals up next to the minion starter basket, and it'll work just fine. And then what you do is take you one of these starter straws. There you go. And just set that down in there. You know, dig you out a little hole and get it down in there, and then put some of the briquettes up on top of it. You know the deal. That's all it takes. And there's my fire. I've started it. I'm gonna put the door back on and close it up, and just let that work off. In about 15 to 20 minutes it'll be ready. I've said before, if you're interested in either one of these two baskets, the large one or the starter basket, go to arborfabricating.com or arborfab.com and pick out your basket. And when you check out, use the code PIF5, PIF5, and you'll get 10% off. I'm gonna put some meat on. We're just gonna throw these wings down. Vents open just to begin with until my temp gets up where I want it, and then I'll trim them back some. All right, these ribs and chicken wings and sausage has been on about 30 minutes, and the temps are up to 322. I've already cut it down, cut my lower vents down to about a quarter, but I'm going to close them and just crack one of them. Let's look and see what this stuff's looking like. All right, it's cooking hot and fast, I guess you could say. I'm going to spritz the ribs and the wings with some apple cider vinegar. That goes good on both. Looking good. Turn this over. You will. Right, guys, just so you'll know, I've got my top vent closed and two of the bottom vents closed, and that one around there just cracked. And I've got my door open about that much. You can do that with a stainless steel door. It'll sit right there. This is my little method that I like to use with chicken, and it'll be interesting to see how the ribs come out. But this is like I do my pulled pork. It's more like a roasting oven with the heat smoke coming out at great level. I know you guys think I'm crazy doing this, but it puts a different flavor on the meat. I know I keep saying that, but that's what I like. Just thought I'd let you know what I was up to. And our temperatures climbed back up to 297, and we're running around 300. It's on 300 now as soon as I pull the camera back. Sauce for the wings, I'm gonna do, I don't have much more of this John Boy and Billy grilling sauce. I've used some of it, but I'm gonna use the rest of it. And to go with it, I'm going to use some more of this Uncle Albert's. It's good sauce. It's made in Darlington, right out of Florence. Good. And I'll put about that much of that. And just stir that in. Actually, I might put a little bit more, because I'm going to be dunking these wings, I think, instead of trying to mop them. Guys, our chicken is showing 172. We're cooking at 298. I think that sausage is about done. I'm just going to take it up. This stuff's been on, I don't know, about 50 minutes, I reckon. Take that out. Alright, I'm going to finish this and finish getting these dipped in this sauce, and I'll be right back. I want to know something. This sauce is so good, John Boy and Billy mixed with Albert's. I'm going to use it on the ribs too. Alright, we're good to go. It won't take much longer, just long enough for that sauce to set. That's a fast cook. Okay guys, we got that real hot and fast cook done. Isn't that pretty right there?
Oh yeah.
Isn't that pretty? We've got ribs, that's spare ribs, wings, and sausage.
Wow.
And you know what? All done in an hour.
Great.
So I did the hot and fast, and I did the method I showed you. So let's go in and see. I already did a taste test on the sausage, so I'm not going to play around with that. Let's just grab a rib.
Yeah.
Let's check this hot and fast 1 hour spare rib. And I had them sliced individual as I showed you. Very good. Has good flavor. That John Boy and Billy sauce mixed with Albert's Uncle Albert's, very good flavor. Fat rendered, all that together, yum. All right, I'm gonna lay that to the side. Those wings are beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna break one of them apart. And let's go in and get a bite of this wing. That's on time. I'm ready to watch some football now.
Yeah.
Good luck, Carolina Gamecocks. You're gonna need it.
Go Tigers.
Get out of my get out of my video. Anyway, I hope you like my fast cook. Like I said, that's an hour cook. Worked out pretty good. Now we've got some tailgating food, and we're gonna sit down and watch football all day and night.
Right.
College football,
Right.
which is the best.
Yes.
All right, until next time, this is Phil and Florence.
Janet and Florence, and go Tigers. Woohoo! Bye.